Hey guys, Random Panda Face here with another Loot Crate unboxing. So, I can't wait to see what's in this one. Let's see. Whoop. Open that up. Ooh. Alright, so we got a Vault Boy bobblehead, which I've been loving playing Fallout 4. So fun. So much to do. So let's see what it looks like. Yes. Oh, this makes me so happy. Yep, makes me so happy. And then the 111, like from Fallout 4. I'll need to find a special place for this. Next we got some sunglasses, some shredder shades. So, yeah. Oh, that's hilarious. Those are pretty cool, though. I'll have to wear them somewhere. Choking me. Next, we got, it's a cute but deadly, blizzard, like, blind box. Then you can, all the options you can get. Like, I know, because I know you could, I believe, buy these. Like, I think they sell it on the Blizzard website, I believe. I like the foil, so it's not just plain foil, it has like all the characters and stuff on it. That looks pretty cool. Let's see, who did we get? Oh, thing's just falling out. Alright, so we got Arthas. It's so adorable though. I don't know why the camera won't really focus. There we go. Look how cute he is. Little cape and everything. And the stuff that fell out was the stand he goes on. And little weapon. So adorable. I love blind boxes. Like, I know, like, I might have a problem of blind boxes, but, you know, because I have a lot up above my computer, I can't help it. The next thing we got is a pin from Mockingjay, which I know I have, like, another, like, Hunger Games pin, like, just like the normal Mockingjay, somewhere on my desk. I have, like, a lot of little gadgets and whatnot. That's actually pretty cool. I like that. I have to, like, pin that to something. Ooh, we got some magnets. Blizzard. Cute but deadly magnets. I love the little Deathwing. So cute. So I have to put those on the fridge. Got Street Fighter Hyper Looting little comic. So I got that in there. Let's see what else. Oh, that's cool. They gave like these little like present tags or whatever. That's cool because I'll probably use those for Christmas instead of just using a Sharpie to write on the wrapping paper like I usually do. That could be like for friends' presents. And then here is the pin. Yeah. November 2015. Comeback. Put that with all my other pins. And of course just the little booklet that shows all the stuff and like all the people from past crates with all their gear and whatnot. But yeah. And then the whole box just looks like, if I can get that in frame. That's pretty cool. Then it's like, wait. There we go. Now it's like a road. So, yeah, that was... And then on the side it shows you how to put it up and whatnot. But that was my November Loot Crate box. I think my favorite from this box is the Fallout bobblehead because, yes, Fallout. I need to play more of the game. Even though it's like I play a lot of it, but I need more. It's such a fun game. But I hope you enjoyed the unboxing. And yeah, I guess I'll see you in my next video. So, see you guys.